Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the clawfoot stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, and be familiar with the half double crochet decrease. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 24 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You'll now make 1 single crochet into each chain across. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 4 chains. To begin, we're going to be making a half double crochet decrease across the first 3 stitches. Yarn over your hook 1 time, insert your hook into the first stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Yarn over, insert your hook into that third stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. You're going to have 7 loops on your hook right now. You're going to yarn over and take that through 6 only, leaving 2. Then you're going to yarn over and take that through both of those last 2 to complete that half double crochet decrease over 3 stitches. Then you're going to make a chain to keep all of that together. And that's going to be the sequence for this row. So you're going to make a half double crochet decrease over the next 3 stitches, just like we had done. You're going to pull that yarn through 6 chains only, leaving 2, yarn over, take that through those last 2, and then make a chain to keep it all together. Same thing, half double crochet decrease over the next 3 stitches. Take that through 6 loops. You'll have 2, yarn over, take that through both of those last 2, make a chain. Half double crochet decrease over the next 3 stitches. Through 6 loops only, you'll have 2 left. Through those last 2, make a chain. Half double crochet decrease over the next 3 stitches. Yarn over, take that through 6 chains. You'll have 2 left. Yarn over, take that through 2, and make a chain. Half double crochet decrease over the next 3 stitches. Yarn over, take that through 6 loops. You'll have 2, yarn over, take that through 2, make a chain. Half double crochet decrease over the next 3 stitches. Once you get to the end of this row, you'll have 2 stitches left. You'll skip 1, and then into the last stitch of this row, you'll make 1 double crochet by itself to complete row 2. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. So I know my swatch is looking a little crazy because of these decreased stitches. This third row is going to be our single crochet row. It's going to match this first row. It's going to balance out the decreasing in row 2. So into the first stitch, you're going to make a single crochet. Then we're going to get into our sequence. Into any previous chain 1 space, you're going to make 2 single crochet. Then in any stitch you come across, 1 single crochet. It's going to be 2, then 1, 2 in any chain space, 1 in any stitch, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 in any chain space, then 1 in any previous stitch. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have some chains over here. Work 1 into that space and then 1 into the top of those chains because they are acting as a stitch. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the clawfoot stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.